everyone, it's me again, Chaofan, and welcome back to my cooking vlogs. And now we're making a quick and easy fried rice, so I hope you join me, guys. So I have here a leftover fried chicken, and I'm going to cut it into chunks. And to the left, I already cut here a 1 medium size of onion. And you can use any kind of leftover meat that you have. And then next, I have here a few pieces of broccoli, and I'm going to cut it into small pieces. And you can use also any kind of vegetables that you have. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use. So one medium size of onions chopped, and a few pieces of broccoli, cut it into small pieces, and leftover fried chicken, cut it into chunks, and later I'm going to use 1 egg. And I already heated here a pan, and I'm going to put some cooking oil, and I'm going to fry first the onion. Let's fry first the onions for a few seconds. And now I'm going to put the egg. And then I'm going to put in the broccoli. Fry it for about 3 minutes. After that, I'm going to put 1 bowl of rice, and my rice is a mix of brown rice and white rice, or you may use any kind of plain rice or any leftover rice that you have. And now let's add in our chicken, and then mix it. And now I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Put some black pepper. And then some salt to taste. And then mix it and cook for about 5 minutes. So this is now our quick and easy fried rice, broccoli fried rice. And now it's ready, so let's transfer it into a serving plate. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my cooking vlogs for today. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and please do share our vlogs for today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it and click the bell button below for more updates. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys on my next vlogs. Bye.